Hello everyone, is your transmission shifting rough or your check engine light is on? If your OBD-II scanner shows P0712, transmission fluid temperature, TFT, sensor circuit low input, it means the PCM is detecting an abnormally low temperature reading from the transmission fluid. In this video, I'll explain what P0712 means, its symptoms, and, most importantly, where to locate the affected sensors and components. Let's get started. The P0712 trouble code occurs when the transmission fluid temperature, TFT sensor, sends a low voltage signal to the Powertrain Control Module, PCM. This means the PCM thinks the transmission fluid is too cold, which can cause incorrect gear shifts, poor fuel economy, and even transmission overheating. Warning, if this issue isn't fixed, it can lead to major transmission damage over time. Check engine light on harsh or erratic shifting, delayed gear engagement, poor fuel efficiency transmission, stuck in limp mode overheating transmission, if fluid is actually hot. If you're facing these issues, let's locate the faulty components and diagnose the problem. Sensor and component locations, where to find them. To fix P0712, check these key transmission and PCM-related components. Transmission fluid temperature, TFT, sensor. Location. Inside the transmission, usually near the valve body or integrated with the transmission pressure sensor. Function. Monitors transmission fluid temperature and sends data to the PCM. Transmission Control Module, TCM, if separate from PCM. Location. Mounted on or near the transmission, firewall, or under the dashboard. Function. Regulates shift points and transmission performance based on sensor input. PCM, Powertrain Control Module. Location. In the engine bay or under the dashboard. Function. Processes temperature sensor data and controls engine and transmission performance. Transmission wiring, harness and connectors. Location. Runs between the transmission, TFT sensor and PCM. Function. Transmits electrical signals for accurate sensor readings. Transmission cooler and fluid lines. Location. Near the radiator or an independent transmission cooler. Function. Regulates transmission fluid temperature. Common causes of P0712, faulty transmission fluid temperature, TFT sensor. If the sensor fails or is stuck at a low value, it sends incorrect signals. Wiring or connector issues. Broken, corroded, or loose wiring can prevent proper voltage transmission. Low or contaminated transmission. Fluid, dirty, or low fluid can lead to inaccurate temperature readings. PCM or TCM malfunction. If the PCM misinterprets sensor data, the transmission may behave incorrectly. Transmission cooler problems. A clogged or leaking cooler can cause improper fluid cooling. How to fix P0712. Step 1. Check transmission fluid condition and level. If the fluid is low, burnt, or dirty, replace or top it up. Step 2. Inspect the TFT sensor. Look for physical damage, corrosion, or cracks on the sensor and its wiring. Step 3. Test the sensor with a multimeter. If the sensor reads consistently low resistance, it may need replacement. Step 4. Inspect wiring and connectors. If you find loose, damaged, or corroded wires, repair or replace them. Step 5. Check the transmission cooler and lines. Ensure cooling is functioning properly. Step 6. Reset the PCM and test drive. After repairs, clear the code with an OBD-II scanner and monitor performance. Ignoring P0712 can lead to transmission overheating, poor performance, and expensive repairs. Fix it early to avoid major problems. For more car repair tips, check out these videos. P0678, Cylinder 8, Glow Plug Circuit Fault P0679, Cylinder 9 Glow Plug Circuit Fault. Like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for expert car diagnostics.